Elephant's Ele-Fantastic Leap Day by the VanRaepenbusch family, inspired by the art of Susan L. Roth and her birthday.
Something strange is going on next door. Hair, air! Woohoo, kangaroo! Meow, wow! Leaping lizard! Whoa, rhino! See what I mean? Hey guys, why the leaps? Death! Are you playing basketball? No. Is there an obstacle course? No. You must be playing leapfrog. No. Tell me, why the leaps?
Do you want a hint?
Yes, please.
It only happens every 4 years.
It makes the last day of February special this year.
Give up? Come see.
It's a leap day party.
And we have a trampoline. Do you want to leap? Why are you sad? I can't leap. I didn't think I could leap. I could try. It will be a long time until it is leap day again. I did it! Who said rhinos and elephants couldn't leap?
We wish you an Ele-Fantastic Leap Day.